Hi, we're going to be comparing numbers and groups of things, and so I'm going to need a little bit of your help with this. So over here we have 10 frames, and so they don't look exactly like this, but I tried my hardest. So we're going to figure out how many we have in each 10 frame, so that way it'll be easier for us to compare. So go ahead and take a look over here at this first 10 frame. How many do you see? How many do we have over here? Now, how many do we have over here? So I'm going to help a little bit with this first one. So if you said that we have 6, whoopsies, then you're correct. And then over here, if you said that we have 8, then you're correct. So which number is greater than or bigger than the other? 8. So if 8 is bigger, then 6 is smaller. So when we're doing our less than sign, we want the alligator to eat the bigger number because the alligator is really, really hungry. So we're going to make our less than sign because 6, this is smaller than 8. And I know you guys like when I add the teeth, so we'll go ahead and we're going to add the teeth. And then you guys also usually want me to add the eyes, so there we go. Now let's try this one over here. How many are on this side? How many over here? So if we have 5 and 3, which number is greater than or bigger than the other? 5. Then 3 would be less than. So if 5's bigger, we want the alligator to eat the 5. So we're going to do the greater than sign because 5 is greater than or bigger than 3. So we'll add the T, give it an eyeball. Alrighty, down below, 12, 21. Is 12 greater than? Is it less than? Or are they equal to each other? All right, 12 is less than 21. So we're gonna have the alligator eat the 21 because remember the alligator's really hungry, so he wants a bigger meal, so he's gonna eat the bigger number. Down here, look at the dice. We have 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5? 10. So if we have 10 over here, how many do we have on this side? 6 plus 4. What is 6 plus 4? It's also 10. So if we have 10 there and 10 there, is 10 bigger or greater than 10? Is it less than 10? No, they're equal. So for this one, we're actually going to do the equal sign. There we go. Down here, 24. What's this number called? 42. Is 24 going to be less than, greater than, or equal to 42? It's less than, it's smaller. So remember, we want the alligator to eat the bigger number, and let's make that a little longer. Okay, on over to here. Now each of these have 10. So it's not quite the same as the 10 frame because there's 10 here, and I'll show you, I'll even count with you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we have 10 here and 10 here, what is 10 plus 10? We have 2 groups of 10, so it'd be 10, 20. So if we have 20 here, let's look and see how many we have over here. Remember, this is 10, so we have 10 plus 1. What's 10 plus 1? 11. So 20 and 11. Is 20 greater than, less than, or equal to 11? Okay, 20 20 is greater than. So bigger than. We want it to eat that big number. So 20 is greater than 11. Down here, 49. What's that number? 47. Now remember, we can do the 4 either way. So I wanted you to see both 4s. Is 49 greater than, less than, or equal to 47? It's greater than. So it's going to eat the 49 because it's really hungry. It wants a really big meal. Okay, let's look over here. We have another 10 frame. Okay, count how many are over here on this side. We're going to compare it to how many are on this side. Go ahead and count. So how many here? And how many here? Is 5 going to be less than, greater than, or equal to 5? Okay, so we need another equal sign. And then we have one more problem here. This one's a tricky one. We have big numbers. What is that number? Say it if you know it. Go ahead and say this number if you know it. So 999, and over here we have 1,000. So is 999 less than, greater than, or equal to 1,000? It's less than, so smaller than 1,000. So we're gonna have the alligator eat the 1,000. Oh, that one's a little messed up, but I tried my hardest. So I hope this was easy for you. If it wasn't easy, then just keep on practicing with the less than, greater than, and equal to. And remember, when you're practicing at home, the alligator's always gonna eat the number that's bigger because he's really, or it is really, really hungry and it wants a big meal. I hope this was at least fun for you, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you later.